Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Solana is a highest-level digital money as of now valued at $133.98 that has a place with the class of mintable coins, with a market capitalization of $59,311,385,383 in an extremely large manner. Over the kind of past genuinely couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Solana, laid out an especially impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and really are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary standards forks in a genuinely enormous way. A few institutional financial backers even really consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in a truly significant way. Retail financial backers and merchants sort of are genuinely keen on digital currencies, exceptionally, for example, Sol, since this for the most part is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources have the especially potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately brief time frame, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. These profits are by and large impossible in, for the most part, different business sectors, which essentially is the justification for why most genuinely moderate financial backers, for the most part, are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Solana, while the groundbreaking ones especially give a huge piece of their, in every way that really matters, cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in an unpretentious manner. At this genuinely specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Solana to the level at $133.98 where it as of now sits, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. As currently referenced, Sol sort of is a highest-level cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 5th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the fundamentally metric that not entirely settled by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. On account of Solana, the market capitalization really remains at $59,311,385,383. The significance of this boundary will generally be made sense of later. Amazingly, our cost forecast calculation fundamentally is planned so that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the advanced resource being referred to in a real sense furnish our supporters with the most reliable data on the very present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently basically evaluate the condition of their portfolio and explicitly choose whether or not it basically has to truly be reconfigured, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Our calculation additionally really focuses on verifiable information, which truly is essential for the sort of right assessment of both sort of current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its present and future bearing. Underneath, you will truly find certainly key passages of this authentic information, so you also could basically have a comprehension of where the Solana market truly is going, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Yesterday, on February 29, Sol for the most part was esteemed. At $118.5 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings truly recall that digital currencies, all things considered, are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. So on account of Solana, the market capitalization generally remains at $59,311,385,383. The significance of this boundary will in a real sense be really made sense of later in an unpretentious manner. The cost change rate wise over the said period explicitly added up to 379% in opposition to prevalent thinking. 7 days prior, on February 23, Solana truly was exchanged at $101.64 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that sort of near its certainly present situation in an unpretentious manner. On February 1, which for the most part was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Sol at $101.47, the cost level that generally is at the distance of 32.3% from where it at present by and large stands in an unpretentious manner. The cost of Sol and the readings of CVIX certainly are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Market capitalization truly is another significant in every practical sense metric that sort of assists traders with explicitly deciding the prominence of the digital currency being referred to as well as its future possibilities, which especially shows that these profits certainly are really out of reach in truly different business sectors, which basically is the motivation behind why most especially moderate financial backers truly are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with cryptographic forms of money like Solana, while the groundbreaking ones fundamentally commit a huge part of their cash flow to this quickly creating resource class, which certainly is very critical. It's additionally used to really evaluate the offer that Solana certainly holds inside the whole digital money market, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization basically is fairly straightforward. The circling supply of the money being referred to by and large is duplicated by its ongoing cost, showing how our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which generally is in every practical sense imperative for the sort of right assessment of both current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its truly present and future bearing in an unpretentious manner. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of Sol in a real sense remains at $59, 311, 385, 383, enough to name it the fifth outright biggest coin on the cryptographic money market, or so they generally thought. Yesterday, on February 29, the market capitalization of Solana in a real sense remained at $52, 249, 842, 440, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. 7 days prior, on February 23, the capitalization of Sol basically was $44, 824 and 45, 776 in a very significant manner. A month prior, on February 1, how much certainly capital streaming around this in every practical sense. Specific market generally added up to $44, 198, 898, 510 amazingly. Most digital currency financial backers explicitly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a very certain cryptographic money and its capacity to sort of endure disturbances which are the fundamentally normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market, or so they in a real sense thought. The absolute inventory of Sol as of now basically remains at 570,708, 523 coins, which is genuinely critical. The circling supply of the digital money under survey for the most part is 442,703, 923 Sol in a by and large significant manner. This Solana cost forecast wouldn't be truly finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the, for the most part, metric utilized by basically all cryptographic money dealers to explicitly affirm the strength of the pattern and the practicality of a market move, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain certainly is happening on the rear of the kind of low exchanging volume, there sort of is a high likelihood that this move really is impractical and would in every practical sense bring about a bullish snare in an in every practical sense significant way. Consequently, it's vital to basically dissect the especially past and the ongoing